I'm MG, and this is Lookout. These are not normal times. Yeah, we're all trying to stay safe, and with what is going on about the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of countries are on lockdown. People can't move out of their homes. The world is gradually coming to a standstill. But in as much as we are all trying to keep safe and remain safe by washing our hands regularly with soap and running water, and even going to the extent of using alcohol-based sanitizers, I want to draw our minds to one thing, which is our mobile phones. Our mobile phones are our daily drivers. It's something we use almost all the time in a single day, and there's no doubt that when our hands are contaminated with pathogens or germs, we transfer those onto our phones. And even though we clean our hands, we disinfect our hands and all that, we tend to forget about our phones, and eventually we are contaminating our hands again once we touch those phones. The video I made to sort of remind us to disinfect our phones and how to do it, the ideal way to do it. So sit back and check it out.
First, you need a 70% alcohol. I got this from the pharmacy and it is locally made in Ghana. That's the Ghana flag at the bottom, right there. Secondly, you need an air blower. You can get this from any good cleaning kit, especially for camera lenses. I got this from the cleaning kit I bought for my camera. What you need next is a microfiber cloth. This you can also get from a cleaning kit, or better still, buy the ones that come in a pack of 5 or 10 from your favorite retailer shop online. The microfiber cloth will be the last thing we use. And finally, a lint-free paper towel. Let's get cleaning. Make sure your phone isn't charging. Disconnect it from the power source. Unplug the charging cable and power your phone off. Now take your phone case off if you have one on. Put the phone case away for the meantime. We'll get back to it later. Some of you may be wondering why I'm using a paper towel instead of the microfiber cloth. And that's basically because it's easy to properly dispose it off with whatever pathogens it may be carrying, rather than having to wash the microfiber cloth if I had to use it. Take a fresh piece of lint-free paper towel. You first wipe the phone with it. Dump the other piece of paper towel with the 70% alcohol and rub your phone with it. I usually like to start by cleaning the back of the phone first and then the screen last. This is to avoid staining the screen with fingerprints after cleaning it whilst cleaning the back of the phone. Be careful not to get moisture into the openings. Also try to get a good clean of the volume buttons and mute switch as it's very easy to trap dust. Now give the screen a gentle rub. Doing this 3 to 4 times should keep it sparkling and disinfected. There you have it, looking fresh and clean. Oh yeah, my phone has had its fair share of scratches and dents. Tell me about it. Let's move on to clean our phone case. You'll be surprised how much dirt can hide in there. Oops, looks like we left some fingerprints on the screen. We can now use the microfiber cloth to clean the screen. This will get rid of the fingerprints. Now that's looking new. You almost think it's a brand new one from the box. Finally, let's clean our USB cable a couple of times and we should be good to go. Now that we are done, let's dry the cable with a dried piece of paper towel.
So yeah, it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, you know what to do. Also, don't forget to subscribe.